Alright, let me see if I can get a good video of feeding the bass here on the dock. We've got a bucket of green sunfish, and see if the bass will take them when I throw them in. Little sunfish. Yeah, did you see that? Let's do another one. Oh yeah. One more. Nice big. Oh. Let's get a big one. Okay, that guy. Nope, not very big. Got him after he went under the surface. Let's see. Oh, got that one too. That's how it works.